baby, tell them other guys bye-bye. Yeah.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So guys, we're back, and guess what? We're here.
We're in Sydney, and I'm in Turbulence show. It is live tonight. I'll provide a day after performance it, but we have a little, stumbling block in our way where if you guys can hear, if you used to my voice, you would know, so this is not how I sound naturally. You know what I mean? So we have a little cool here where I bother me for a while, been I try to treat it, but my voice still not come back 100, so me not even 50. You see it, so yeah, I guess how everything got tonight still, but I couldn't turn it down because on every day I get show. You see it, so me there I see me every show my face if I can't perform out all of my songs, I just saw it, but me there to show my face and make the people them know who me see and where you see it. So yeah, this is also a change of venue. This is not the Metro Theatre, this is
Factory Theatre.
Factory Theatre we at. Yeah, so they changed it within like the last 3 or 4 days.
Hang on, plane's coming. If you hear that, guys, it's a plane.
Yeah, so they...
Oh no, I missed it though. So yeah, guys.
Yeah. So that's a go on, We still early. I was supposed to perform at 7 and now it's past 7, long time. And there's not much people.
No, basically it opens at 7, but they never gave you a time to perform.
No, I'm getting it wrong.
I'm a little bit like at the moment, guys. Hang on, let me just explain. I don't know if they're gonna make me pay to go in. I don't mind supporting. Oh my god, that is bright. I don't mind supporting my husband, but at the same time,
yeah, we're working together.
We're working together. They can't make me pay the entry to come in. Jeez.
That's so right. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to the brother in a bit because I don't think I saw it ago.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He put one wristband for me but
and nothing on me.
Yeah, one for yours. So I don't know what going on. So we have to go back in a bit and ask him what going on. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. I hope I get it on camera though.
Yeah. There's not much people here as yet, so we're really early.
So we'll go for a little walk and show them. Maybe there's some Jamaican food or something down there or whatever.
Yeah, this one. It's a nice place too.
Yeah, so this is it, guys. But the room's in there where those guys are standing.
Alright, it's in here. Yeah.
No, not really.
Yeah, so this is we don't call a room, Yeah.
Chill out vibe.
Yeah, back stage room, Yeah. Just spoke to the promoter a while ago, guys, and he's actually from Jamaica.
From Hanover.
From Hanover. Yeah, so I'm gonna come around this side. Yeah. Better? It's a bit dark though. Come on. Focus. Yeah, so promoter is from Hanover. Yeah, and he's been living in Australia for 30 years.
And he's a chef.
Yeah, he studied in England?
Yep, his apprenticeship and everything, and then he came over and lived in Australia for 30 years.
Yeah, well, so he's a promoter. He was excited to meet me as well, and when we told him live in Casino, he was like, Casino, I love that place, I love the country and this and that. So he wants to come up for Christmas and all that. So yeah, that was exciting. He's a really cool guy.
Yeah, he is. Very nice man indeed.
Yeah.
So can't wait to finally see you know, babe, and I ended up getting a wristband.
Yeah, so link the promoter direct and yeah, we get babes.
I like really thought I'm gonna sit out here drinking by myself all night.
No, that would not be. If that was the case, I would have just paid for you and yeah. But nah.
That's so funny though. You don't pay. I don't know how it works. You don't usually pay for your entourage.
No, not necessarily because
Maybe they just thought I was a pickup line.
Nah. Yeah, but he said whenever we want food, because there's jerk chicken and all that, yeah, so we don't have to pay for any of that. You see, so yeah, that's life as an artist.
I'll show you guys after.
Yeah, so imagine when you get bigger, you know, there's more opportunities. You know what I mean? Yeah,
Chunky
not
eat more food.
not just food. You know what I mean? There's gonna be more opportunities.
Yeah, guys. So yeah, this is where we are. You hear the music? It's copyright.
Yeah, copyright. So definitely I'll be playing music over these. Yeah, man. But yeah, it's still early. Not many people as yet, but yeah.
We're hoping for a good turnout.
Yeah.
There's literally about 6, 7 people, 8 people in there.
Yeah. Well, so we see we'll eat more forward in. You see. Yeah. I mean, I guess it's probably early, so yeah. That's what I'm guessing. This thing seems like it keeps on going out of focus. But yeah, what we're trying to show you earlier was the backstage room that the promoter showed me. We can get ready in there, even though I'm not putting on any clothes or whatever, change or whatever. But yeah, he said that's the backstage room. You know what I mean? But,
so the thing is, right, guys, is babe showed me the backstage room because we know what he wants.
Yeah.
I'm only joking.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, there was a DJ in there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just give him in space.
Yeah,
so we never really do much vlog in there.
The DJ's in there, but babe wanted me in there to himself.
You know what I mean?
Can't do that. You'll be out of breath.
Oh my god, it was quiet in there and cozy, but when we go in the second time, I'm like, shit, the DJ was in there, so we just make him be. Yeah. But yeah, that's artist life. I'm getting used to it. I'm just at the little beginning stage, you see it. But yeah, it's a nice vibe.
It's a nice vibe, definitely.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping, guys, I can get you the best footage on babes on stage.
Yeah, man.
Because you all know, and you're all here to support your boy Provider.
Yeah, man.
At the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's about Provider and getting out there, exposing himself.
True.
And, you know, just having a ball. Because this is what he loves to do. This is his passion.
True.
Besides fishing.
True.
Besides the fishing thing. But he definitely, this is what he wants to do.
Yeah, man.
And I support him 100%.
True. Yeah, man. So I look forward to a little more from now.
Oh, ladies, I don't have much makeup on today at all. I'm very natural.
We're kind of rushed, and we
rushed.
And we thought we were late. Naturally, the show is late.
Yeah, the show's late, and we're not late at all.
We could have turned our yard and relaxed to come on.
Could have slammed up and everything.
Yeah, no.
But anyway, it's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
man. So that. So just stick around for what comes next. Yeah, man. Let's go.
Let's go down. Yeah, pick up my friend who was sitting beside me earlier. Pick up yourself, yeah? Let's go. Yeah, everybody make some noise. Alright. Yeah, well, kind of been some places. I have to apologize. This is how we do it in Melbourne. I'm sorry. You can't get in front of it. I'm already here. Alright. We're going to have our first performer. We're going to make him feel very welcome. Yeah? I spoke to his wife and they say they live like 9 hours drive from here. Right? So they didn't drive. They flew. But right now, everybody to the corner, to the middle, to the back, to this side. Make some noise for the first performer of the night. His name is Provider. So let's make some noise.
Blessings. Good night to everyone. Yes, sir. I go by the stage name Provider. Yeah, I've been living in Australia over 1 year now. Yeah, man. So my voice is not the best tonight, but I'm still gonna deliver because it's not every day I get a show to perform. So I couldn't turn it down. So hope you guys will enjoy my performance. See you where? Yeah, man. Run it. Yes, man. You guys love reggae music? Yeah. You love dancehall? How many of you know about dancehall culture? out the week, cause me a try my carry house flirty. Make you want to take my life, but even reach 30. Make the situation critical and need surgery. Hey, man, let me tell you something, you can't trust them, you know why? Them take me kindness for weakness. Them now found but them always reaching. Them now bad but them eyes always bleeding. Take it as me tell you, them sneaking. If me $1 million, you would have was half million. Next track, right away. Yes, sir. Let me see. All of the hands for everyone that smoke the good old marijuana. Any herbalist in here? Any weed smoker? Let me make it clear, I don't sip coke. Alright, I don't take ice. None of those things. Place where I come from, let me tell you how to do it. Alright then, roll up a weed and then may light up a spliff. And it help reduce your anxiety, yeah. And then relieve the pain. Good for glaucoma and cancer. And if you're still some. This one is for the ladies. I don't know if I have the vocal right to do it. Let's go, but I'm gonna do my best, right? All they ever did was lie to you. Baby, tell them other guys bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, son. I know you love my accent. Just let me show you I can get you in the top 10. I need your blessing. Got you sailing like the captain of the yacht. I just wanna get a dog, yeah. Me not no fear. Love is in that ear like a leader, me a cheer. You produce quality, not quantity. You love anytime coming. With you, we see a great family. Relationship goals for a couple till we great. That's all me said it to our Driving the baby plans and the baby thoughts. Walk us into darkness, don't wanna see the light. Wanna turn us into vampires to suck each other's blood. Then I like say we unify, we love. One divide us and then why we go. Every day them dress up in a jacket and tie. Come and tell you them love you, but truly that's a lie. Them love me see when you suffer. Poor people still never learn. I'll when them back against the wall. Come with the fire, me burn. Don't tell the evil we walk. When the pressures attack, you know the weak from the strong. Is it because we black make everything they know is wrong? And is it because you're rich that make you superior? Well, y'all them come out, y'all them come out. Now the dance fear, y'all back it up. Y'all them come out, y'all them come out. Now the dance fear, y'all wine up. Y'all them come out, y'all them come out. Now the dance fear, y'all. Yes, man. So this song is my latest release. After being wrapped up in a contract for over a year, you know, and finally got out of that, couldn't do music, you know, I've been really stressed out, and this was my song after that. Yeah, man still up on the front page, and I look for your upgrade, can't go home with just chop change. And even though I'm hungry, I still see my best face. Poverty life cause enough pain. And I know from way back in other days, enough with them slave, with them shackles and chain. Good thing with the bad and so brave, be able to make it out them days. Still the dark side of the world remain. Everybody want power, everybody want fame. Yes sir. That song is available everywhere. It's City of Dance by Provider. It's a big fill up movement. Please go check it out. It's available everywhere. I also give thanks for having me. You know what I mean? Just remember the name is Provider. Check me out on Instagram, follow my YouTube. You know, give thanks.
The brother was sick, but he came and delivered. Oh yeah.
Them know say me but they never acting. Boys see them a kill even and I run like Yatley. One boy I represent for the UK, I represent Jamaica, St. Thomas. From a small place. I'm right for my friend then. Broken that broken. This time I'm a friend you must be mad. Must be one lad can put in a money bag. No shit.
Woman can't feel the same.
Oh, I hear sing, don't be afraid, come down.
Nightmares.
Not here now, come on.
You were
When Christmas comes around, on the poor man face wears a frown. System designed to keep the poor man down. Hear me now.
they're wishing for me to fall, but just ain't gonna make me stronger. Say freedom.
on my ears, I can't hear shit. Then let me hear you say free. Rasta see them from afar. A bunch of wicked men flying through the air. The jaw! Rastafari.
Yes, man.
Rock up Babylon a criminal. And them a go and let them marginal. Hey, Sydney a turbulence, the future me name. You have to stand firm. What did the devil have returned? They want